So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to start a stopwatch on your clock. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the clock app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store. So let's open it. Now this is the home page of your clock, and to start a stopwatch, you can simply tap on second option available on the top screen of your device. So tap on it. Then you will see the time. Then tap on another option here. Then you will see here available. And to start a stopwatch, you can simply tap on play button, which is available on the lower bottom of your screen. So tap on it like this, and here you will see the stopwatch. And if you want to pause it, you can simply tap on pause icon here, and if everything is done, you can simply tap on over icon, which is available on the left side of your screen. So tap on it. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.